Alright, so in this video we're going to work out a compound inequality. You can see that the two inequalities have been combined as an AND statement. And so we start with the left inequality. We need to get the two terms with the variable on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 0.2p. And it'll kill it off on the right hand side. So we'd have 0.4p plus 0.3 greater than negative 1.3. And then do the same thing over here on the inequality on the right side. Subtract 0.5p. It'll kill that off on the right side. So it'd have 4, be 4.0. Whoops, this should be subtraction. Be 4.0, we'll just leave it as 4p plus 1.5. Greater than or equal to 8.5. And then coming back over here, we want to get the 0.3 over to the right side, so we can subtract it. Gets rid of that there. So we'd have just 0.4p greater than negative 1.6. And on this inequality we want to subtract 1.5. Rid of the 1.5 there, so we've got 4p, subtract 1.5. Got just 4p greater than or equal to 7. And then last we would divide by 0.4 on both sides here, so 1.6 divided by 0.4 gives us just 4, and of course that's negative. And over here, divide by 4. So we've got p greater than or equal to 7/4. Okay, so to think about how we would write our final answer, if we maybe sketch the graph, p greater than minus 4 would be something like this. And over here we've got p greater than or equal to 7/4. Well, 7/4 is just a little bit smaller than 2, so the interval of p greater than or equal to 7/4 would be something like over here. Right, and whenever you have an AND statement, that means take all of the values that are common to both this interval and this interval, and in the picture we can see that's all of the values shaded in red. So our final answer would be, is simply just this piece of our compound inequality. That includes all of the values common to both intervals, and so in red we can see the graph of that interval. Something like this. I'm not drawing it quite to scale. And then, so if we just read the graph from left to right, our final answer in interval notation is going to look like this.